Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will share with you how to install Facebook on iPhone. So step one, open the App Store app, which is this blue icon. And then click on this search field and type Facebook. Click on Facebook from the top. And this is the Facebook app. Next to it, click on this little download icon. Now the download is started. An easy way to distinguish the official Facebook app is by seeing the provider, which is Meta Platforms Inc. Also the rating. As you see, this app got 25 million rating. Once the download is completed, click on open. And this is how to install the Facebook app on iPhone. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below. And don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.